Alright, so we have a situation with the pipe here that's leaking under here. Plus this one is fused. So we're going to go ahead and cut this whole section out. Just rebuild it with PEX. Alright, so there it is. That's where the other leak is. It's right there at the joint of that copper pipe. Right there. And now that I'm actually looking at it close, that's going to have to be replaced. Alright, so I cut that out. It looks like when they were touching here. Oh, like what, they do solder those together or something? That's weird. It's like solder together. That's so strange. Alright, well, anyway, those two sections are cut out now. Now we gotta pull the pipes out and use shark bite couplers to put it all together. We're just gonna use PEX from there. Alright, we got the pipes clean and prepped and ready. Got the 3/8 pipes ready. 1/2 inch pipes ready. Now we can go ahead and get our connectors here. And go ahead and pop them in. When the PEX, so they'll go there. And then we'll put PEX in there and make the connection. But first we're going to build this first and the 90 first. And then this we can go ahead and pop on now. Alright, that one's ready. Okay. And we can go ahead and put this one on over here. This side. There it is. Alright, so we got the 3/8 connectors done. And then we can go ahead and put this on now. Alright, that's connected. And then we just need to build our 90 piece. PEX and combo, shark bite combo. Alright. There we go. Alright, so we got hot over here for the 3/8. We got cold for the 1/2 inch. So let's go ahead and get us some blue. Since we didn't have a red in the 3/8, we'll just use the white. Alright. Alright, let's see where we're at. Okay. Let's just get a measurement on this. How far that's going to have to go. It's got a little bit of a slide, so we can go like that and slide it on. Alright. Let's make a measurement. Okay. That'll be the... Alright. So we'll be able to pull that back and then slide it forward. Alright. So the slide forward will be back. Alright. So let's give ourselves... Cut it right there. Alright. And as always, we will clean the pipes. There will be hidden dirt on here that we want to remove. Anytime you put in anything to a shark bite, you want it super clean for permanent okay. Okay. So go ahead and push this one in now. All right. And then let's go ahead and get this one in. Okay, there we go. So that took care of that. All right. Okay, there the hot's taken care of. All right, now let's do the. Okay, so we're gonna be here. And then we're gonna make a slight 90. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna need our other side. It's gonna connect to the other shark bite. Alrighty, yeah, we can just do just a little section. Alright, so there we go. We got our two pieces. Now we just need to crimp this down and we're done. Alright, so there we are. There's our repairs. Repaired the hot side. Went to the dishwasher with 3/8, 1/2 inch here. To use a combination of the shark bite coupler, transition from copper to the PEX. Use a nice small PEX elbow there just to make that little turn up. And then coupled it back to the copper that exists. And we're ready to test it out. Alright, so we got a new faucet put in. Hot water's good, cold, nice and strong. Alright, check for any leaks up here. Connections, nothing, looks good. No leaks. Everything looks good on all of the repairs, holding nicely. Dry on the 3/8, dry on the 3/8 all the way around, half. Feels good, no leaks, no leaks. Totally dry now. We can just do a quick paper towel test. Just make sure we didn't miss nothing. Nothing's been missed. Alright, so after a while running stuff and the paper towel still dry, repairs held very nicely. Alright, looks good. Alrighty, here you are. Got the hot on this side, nice and hot, cold. Good to go. It rotates like that. And then coming down for the repairs, I did a paper towel test there so you could see no drips anymore. I kind of definitely will reveal it to you if there was. These are the repairs done. Basically, what he did is cut out that bad pipe in the center and just kind of bypassed it using PEX and transitional connectors. We cleaned the copper really good, and everything's connected up for your sink up there, so you're all set. No more leaks.